Welcome back. 2005 Chevy Suburban, 5.3 liters. It's one of my cars. A puff of blue smoke on startup after the car sits for half a day. You think, oh, that's going to be valve seals or something like that. A lot of times for these, the 5.3s, these GMs, it's the PCV system. PCV system's built into the driver's side valve cover. So you got to replace the valve cover, the whole thing. There's a new, bad enough and common enough that there's a new updated design for it. So I have the new one here. We're going to go replace this driver's side valve cover and PCV system, see if it fixes this issue. I'm sure some of this is going to be hard to see. We've got to get these coils and those kind of things off of here. So we're just going to start unplugging stuff. Just undo the wires first. Go to the coils. Just from the coil, we'll leave them connected to the spark plug. Okay, wires undone, just kind of push them down out of the way. So let's undo the coil, electrical connectors to the coils. Then, get this front one's going to be the one that's buried on me. I'm going to try to leave this and just weasel the cover out of here without doing too much. I have to get this, undone. I think. The lock tab out. I think this is just to lift up. I think. Yep, that's undone. The Christmas tree here, or a little clamp. Let me get a pick or a little screwdriver to get in there. Half an hour later. There we go. Then I'm done. I think that's all my electrical stuff. Need a deep socket for this. Deeper than that regular one, I guess. One. With the stud, and these might all be studs. Or just brought the whole stud out. Come on. Two. Get that one. This thing's been on. There it goes. There's three. What else do I have? Any more? Yeah, there's one up here. Up by the front. Let's see if that's it. I don't know. No, there's one down the bottom. Are there any more? I don't know. I feel like it. Let's see. We'll set that up here. Now we get to the, looks like 7mm bolts. I can't even talk, but I think they're 7mm. Let's see. 7? No. They're 8s. Okay, just pull the whole cover. Set this down somewhere. Somewhere, I don't know where. somewhere. Come on out of there. Come on. Wow, it doesn't want to come out. Gotta undo this line here at the back. I'll get this front bolt out before I lose that. The one bolt doesn't want to come out. That's PCV right there. There's your part number. Whoa. Right from GM. I think it's the same as the one that came off. 12570-427. It is, looking at the casting of the other on the old one. Those are new bolts and everything. Nice. I gotta clean that. Get in there and clean that. Come on. Paper tag from the factory. There's nothing left of it. All right, plug it back in now. Lock here. That might help if I put my plugs back in, maybe. I'll hook them back on my wires back up. Might work a little better, maybe. That'd be a pretty bad misfire. Okay, now we're done. 2 days later, I'd let this thing kind of clean itself out. We're gonna see if we get a big puff of smoke. I don't expect it. I think this PCV change fixed things. looks like the PCV valve cover and PCV, I can't even speak. You can see the condensation, but that's just condensation. It's fine. So that's it. Let me back you up here. So that's it for the PCV valve and valve cover change. Fix the issue with the blue smoke. You know, big puff of. I'm talking big puff of blue smoke. When it first starts, after sitting for half a day or a day, it's gone now. So that fixed that problem. If you have this problem with your Suburban, Sierra, Chevy, anything in that 5.3 line, I hope this helps you out. If you like the videos, click the like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.